Hello, you're welcome to Master T Math class. In this live class, we want to look at this topic on sort and we'll be solving some on the rationalization of the sort. So let's look at number one from here. We have from here we have 1 divided by 1 minus 2 root 3. To solve this problem on sort, we need to rationalize this sort. That is, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate sort of the denominator, we have 1 plus 2 root 3. So we use this conjugate now to multiply the numerator and denominator, and here it becomes 1 times 1 plus 2 root 3, then divided by, also multiply this by the conjugate, that's 1 minus 2 root 3, multiplied by 1 plus 2 root 3. Then from here, we continue by expanding these brackets. That is, here, 1 open this bracket is still same thing as 1 plus 2 root 3, then divided by these two brackets, they are conjugate sort, and it follows from when we have a minus b into brackets, a plus b, this difference of two squares, that is, we can write as a square minus b square. Then here a is 1, that is, we have 1 square minus b is 2 root 3, that's 2 root 3 all squared. Okay, now here up we still have 1 plus 2 root 3, then divided by 1 square is 1, then minus. The square here affects 2. We have 2 square, then times. Also affect root 3, we have root 3 square. That is, here this becomes 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 1 minus 2 square, that's 4, 10 times root 3 square, square cancel square root, we have 3. Then we have 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 1 minus 4 times 3, that's 12, which is same thing as 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 1 minus 12, we have minus 11. And we can separate this into two fractions. That is, we have 1 over minus 11, then plus 2 root 3 over minus 11. Then when we write this, you can see this same thing as 1 over minus 11, and write it as minus 1 over 11. Then plus over minus, that's minus. Then we have 2 over 11 times root 3. So this here we have the simplified form of this given solved problem. Okay, so that's how to rationalize the given sort. And let's look at another one here. I will call this question number 2. Okay, that is, here we have this question, we have 2 divided by root 2 plus root 5. Then to simplify this sort problem, we need to rationalize this, and we multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. The conjugate side here we have root 2 minus root 5. So this is the conjugate of the denominator here. It's only the sign that will change in conjugate. So use this conjugate sub to multiply the numerator and denominator. Then what we have becomes 2 times root 2 minus root 5. Also, we have root 2 plus root 5 times root 2 minus root 5. So that's the first step. Then continue here by expanding brackets. Here 2 can open this bracket up, but we can still leave this as 2 root 2 minus root 5, then into brackets. Then this also they are conjugate sub. These and these are conjugate sub, which follows from when we have a plus b into brackets, then open brackets, a minus b. This also same thing as a square minus b square. This here, a is root 2, that's root 2 square. Then minus b is root 5, that's root 5 square. Then this now becomes 2 into bracket root 2 minus root 5, then divided by, yeah, this square cancels square root. We have 2 then minus. Also square cancels square root, that's 5. That's this. Here we have 2 into bracket root 2 minus root 5, then divided by 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. Okay, and also this can be written as minus 2 into bracket root 2 minus root 5 all over 3. So this minus in front of 3 here can come to the front here. Better still, we can write it as minus 2 over 3, then into brackets root 2 minus root 5. So this here now we have a simplified form of this given problem. That is, this particular sort now has been rationalized here. Then we can still look at another one here. We call this number 3. That is, here we have 1 over 1 plus root 2. So this is actually a simple one as well. So to rationalize this here, multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugates of the denominator. That is, the conjugate, so there we have 1 minus root 2. So use this now to multiply these two numbers. That is, here we have 1 times 1 minus root 2, then divided by, also we have 1 plus 2 times 1 minus root 2. That is, now, here, when we expand from here, 1 multiplying this is same thing as 1 minus root 2, then divided by, here these are also conjugate sub. So whenever we have something like this, always when we have a plus b, two brackets, also one bracket a minus b. And here we have a square minus b square. Then a here is 1. We can write it as 1 square minus root 2, that's b, that's root 2 square. And we have 1 minus root 2 over 1 square is 1, and minus root 2 square. Square cancel square root, you have 2. then which is 1 minus root 2 over 1 minus 2, also that's minus 1. Then when we write this, we have 1 over minus 1, then minus root 2 over minus 1. Here, 1 over minus 1 can be written as minus 1. The minus over minus become plus. Then root 2 over 1, that's still root 2. That is here. And write root 2 first, and we have root 2, then minus 1. Here, we have the simplified form of this given problem. Okay? You are watching us live at Master T Math Class. Do well to be part of this channel, subscribe, and also share this video and put your comments. Okay? Now let's solve another one. And we call this question 4. Then here we have this as number 4. Then 1 divided by 3 minus root 2. We want to solve this. Now we rationalize this as well, and we multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate salt of the denominator. The conjugate salt is 3 plus root 2. So use this salt to multiply the numerator and denominator. Here we have 1 times 3 plus root 2, then divided by, also multiply this by the same thing. So we have 3 minus root 2 multiplied by 3 plus root 2. Then we can solve further now, and we expand. So when we open this bracket, we still have same thing as 3 plus root 2 divided by, these are also conjugate salt. So whenever we have that, it follows from when we have a minus b into brackets, open brackets, a plus b, which can be written as a squared minus b squared. And here a is 3, so we have 3 squared minus b is root 2, that's root 2 squared. That is, here we have 3 plus root 2, then divided by 3 squared, that's 9, minus root 2 squared, square cancel square, we have 2. And this same thing as 3 plus root 2 over 9 minus 2, that's 7. So we can as well split this into 2 fractions. And we have 3 over 7 plus root 2 over 7.